Hi guys, welcome back to My Style. This is me Kabita Kharel. So in today's video you guys will be seeing my Miniso haul. I'm going to share my haul with you guys. My table is full of Miniso products. I shopped quite a lot recently and I am so beyond excited. So if you are new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well so that you'll never miss any of the future uploads. And let's get started with the video. Right guys, I have quite a lot of products to share with you guys. First of all, let's start with the skincare. I got quite a lot of skincare. So the first skincare item that I have is this aloe vera balancing spray. This claims to moisturize and refresh and soothe your skin. I got this to spray on my face. You can use this type of sprays as a toner or to hydrate your skin throughout the day whenever your skin or your hair gets dry. I got this spray because I love this spray. This is actually the mist and I have already finished one bottle and I got the new one as well. I love this, so I bought this and I bought the new spray. This is ridiculous. It works. I will share with you guys. This spray cost me rupees 369. So the next skincare is this Miniso mist. This is the aloe relaxing care moisture mist from Miniso. The finished bottle is from the cucumber refreshing moisture mist, but I could not find this cucumber one and I got this aloe relaxing care moisture mist. This cucumber mist smells so good. It smells so refreshing and it makes your mood so good, but the aloe one smells not that good because it's aloe. We cannot expect to have some kind of refreshing smell from the aloe vera ingredients. So this is also quite refreshing but not good as this one. These both works for the hydration. If you don't know what mist is for, mist is usually used for the hydration. This mist can be used whenever you feel your hair is dry or your skin is dry. This mist is used for the hydration purpose. You can spray this and you can just blow out some air and this will keep you hydrated. And this is so huge. It contains 410 milliliters, so heavy. It's not possible to carry on your bag and just to spritz on your face all day whenever you get dry. You have to transfer this on a small spray bottle and you have to spray this. This works so great, and the plus point is it is made in Korea. Skincare that are made in Korea are so good. At first I bought this mist because I saw that it is made in Korea. After I used it, I fell in love with this. So this is my happy find. And I don't know the price. I guess this cost me rupees 499 or 599. I forgot the price. I will link in the description box below, so check it out. And the another skincare is this. This is the Rose Essence Toner, and the reason why I got this is this. I bought these two together and I fell in love with both of these products. So I thought of trying this Rose Essence Toner as well. This will make your skin so hydrated, so smooth, so plump. I haven't tried this one, Rose one, yet, but I tried this one and you can see how much I used it. And this is the huge ass bottle. This contains 400 milliliter. It takes so much time to finish up to this, so I use this toner religiously and it cost me 699 rupees. This is really huge. It will last you forever. Okay, next I have this hydrating facial cleanser. This is from Miniso and it cost me rupees 249. This hydrating facial cleanser is for the dry skin. If you don't want to use those foaming cleansers or other cleansers that strips away your oil, natural oil, you are supposed to use this, but you have to be careful guys. It contains paraben. At the Miniso store I didn't check the ingredients from this, but when I came home I saw it contains paraben. You can try, but you should avoid using this religiously because it contains paraben. So paraben is not good for health. And the next item that I got is the lip balm. This is the moisture sunscreen lip balm. This is really great guys. I've never seen the lip balm that contains sunscreen. I've seen on the online websites Neutrogena has it, but I've never gotten a chance to try the lip balm that has sunscreen. So I finally got it from the Miniso. And the another item that I got is this sheet mask. This is the yellow firming solution mask. The reason why I got is this: I'm really big fan of the sheet mask, and this is made in Korea. Guys, if skincare is made in Korea, I blindly buy those products. I don't know if it is healthy or not, but I blindly buy those products. I got this one to try. If it's really good, I will buy some more and share this sheet mask with you guys. And this cost me rupees 189, and I have these 3 packs of sheet mask. Initially I got this sheet mask, and this is a focus moisturizing silk mask. This one pack contains 3 of the sheet mask inside, and it cost me rupees 369, I guess, for one pack. And the another thing that I got is this antiperspirant. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it is fragrant antiperspirant spray. It's kind of harsh for me. I don't love the smell of this, but my husband likes this, so I'm happy it's not waste now. And this cost me rupees 369 as well. And the another thing that I got is this hair removal stripes. This is the body waxing stripes. The reason to buy these stripes is nothing major. I replaced my wheat waxing stripes with these stripes. I hope this will perform as like the wheat, nothing major. And it cost me rupees 249. I guess it contains 80 stripes, yeah, 80 stripes. So if you want the video of how to wax at home, I hope I can make with this one. I usually do waxing at my home, and I usually do it on my own, so I can share the video with you guys. Please leave in the comment section below. And the next item is these tissues. Bundle comes in the 6 packs, but I already opened this up, and I put one on my makeup bag and one on my vanity table right behind there. Like other tissues do, these does not tear up. So Miniso got really nice kind of these tissues and cotton pads and razors, weight wise. I really love these items from Miniso. And this bundle costs only 249. And the another thing that I got is this white wipe and one bliss free cotton pads. I got bliss free cotton pads from Pink Panther. These contains 200 packs, and it cost me rupees 369. It's also really nice kind of nice quality cotton pads, nothing major. Wouldn't have to ramble about cotton pads, right? This is the white wine. This is in the lemon flavor, and the reason why I got this is it is alcohol free and it has weak acid pH value. We have to avoid using alcohol in our skin as much as possible, because these are the things that dehydrates our skin. So alcohol free means plus point, so I got this. And the next item is you guys may be bored of this, but I have quite a lot of products and quite interesting products now. And I have this hand sanitizer. This comes with the pump. I got this to put on my vanity table. It's really handy. You just have to pump. It's really sanitary, and just like this, and you are ready to do your work. This is really nice, okay? And it's rinse free, and it does not smell harsh like other sanitizers. So this is a plus point. And the price for this hand sanitizer is only rupees 249. Let's move on to another. And I have this huge pack. This is the organizer. Okay, this is the organizer. This section is the tissue section, and we have this mirror and 2 compartments over here and 1 dryer over here. You can put anything over here. You can put cotton pads, your Q-tips, or any other small little things that you need in your daily life. This is really multifunctional. Without discount it cost 699. I don't know exactly how it cost me after 40% discount. I'm really lazy to do math now. Okay guys, don't laugh at me. I bought this fry pan on 40% off as well. Usually original price was 1499, and with the and with the 40% off I got this below 1000. I guess we can't get this type of quality this price. And after that I got these candles. This candle is the romantic candles with lemon scented. This is really sweet, guys. I love everything that is lemon scented, so I usually end up buying lemon scented things. Next I have 3 nail polishes. This one is the dark maroon shade. This is the nail topper, bright coral pink. I forgot about this organizer. This is also the small lipstick organizer. You can have a small little things and daily wearing lipsticks over here. This is also really convenient in your daily activities. Another thing that I got is this hand fan. Look at this, it has 3 speeds. This is the first, second, and third is the highest speed, and so good. I got this for the price rupees 949. I got this fan to dry out my setting sprays. After I spray, it's really easy to dry out on your ear. You don't have to search for a fan and do like this and like this. It's really convenient to have one on the table, so I got this one. And the other things are these 4 brushes. This is the brush that I already got one, and I am using that religiously. I really love that brush. Actually this is the same brush, but I end up buying it again. I forgot I have this brush, so maybe I'll put this in the giveaway. Once I reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm having a giveaway, guys. So let's make 5,000 really soon. I'm going to do one giveaway. Till now I haven't done any giveaways, so I really want to do one giveaway. Once I reach 5,000 subscribers, I am planning to do giveaway. So the one thing that added on giveaway is this one brush from Miniso. It's really good, it's so soft. And the another one is this big fluffy powder brush. Actually I already had this brush once. I don't know where I lost this brush. This is really good brush, guys. This brush really helps to blend all your face all together. This makes your face so perfect and airbrush after you use some finishing powder on this brush and just apply on your face. This brush will make your skin so flawless. Your makeup will look airbrushed. It cost me 499 rupees. Brushes are this unicorn colored, and this one brush cost you rupees 369. One is this angle brush and one is this powder brush. This is also really soft and looks so good. Another thing is this eyebrow shaper. These are used to shape your eyebrows, and I usually use these to shape my brows, to get rid of my extra facial hair as well. Okay, after that I have this powder. Usually makeup section at Miniso is really horrible because they don't have that many shades, and the makeup section does not attract me that much as these other sections do. But this powder seems to match my skin tone, because makeup products from Miniso, nothing matched on my skin, nothing showed up on my skin, because I'm really a medium kind of skin tone and there is nothing that matched me. Even the eyebrow products are also really light. It's not very expensive, guys. It's so affordable to be a powder, and it smells so cheap, guys. It cost me rupees 249 only. I don't know how it will perform. Let's see if it matches. It's a plus. And the another thing that I got is this superior skin comfort oil absorbing sheet. Oil absorbing sheet are supposed to absorb your excess oil. You have to blot your skin. All the excess oil will be absorbed there, so you will remain matte all day. It's really a must-have products for oily skin ladies. And the another thing that I got is this alligator hair clip. I already have this one pack of alligator hair clip. I use it daily, and no one knows when these products will again be restocked in the Miniso. So this cost me rupees 249, and the oil absorbing sheet also cost me rupees 249. And I have these 2 sets. This one is really old-fashioned, guys. I know. I don't know either if it's gents or ladies, but I got this one for the color. Look at the color, how beautiful this is. It was only for 599 rupees. And the another shade that I got is this one. This can cover half of your face. If you want to run from anyone, just put this on and run away. No one will recognize you. And these sets cost me rupees 799 only. And these glasses are not so flimsy, guys. These are super nice quality. You get what you pay for. So these are quite nice. And the next item is the Sakura body mist, and this is paraben free, guys. This is the plus. It cost me rupees 249. Usually I got this because I love the fragrance of Sakuras. I really hate those concentrated, so strong scents, strong perfumes. So this is very mild, so floral. I got this. I had to buy this. And the perfume that I got for my husband is this sport men's fragrance. This is what it looks like. Really cute. Look at that bottle. And it cost me rupees 699. And the perfumes for me is this crystal diamond perfume. Look at this one. It's so fresh, so girly, and it has that floral kind of scent. I lost the price tag from here. I forgot the exact price. I will list in the description box below. You should check it once. And another perfume that I got for myself is this pink love perfume. This one is a big boy, guys. Look at the packaging and the bottle. This one is also fresh, but it's quite fruity. It's quite strong than this one, but it won't give you headache. It's kind of soft, but it's strong as compared to this one. My most favorite is this one, and then this one. I usually like to wear this type of perfumes on the night time. And I got this clutch from Miniso. It's pink, and it has dark dusty pink over the back side, and different shades of pink, light, dusty, and kind of mauvey tone pink. It's really nice, guys. This is so girly, so pink and daytime type of clutch. It only rupees 799. Nothing major, and the quality of this is really nice. It's not flimsy. It's really nice quality thing over here. I like the material of this. I don't know what it is, but it's not flimsy at all. And this is also another clutch. This is really pretty, guys. I love everything from this clutch. Look at this shade. Look at the size. So pretty, guys. I don't know what's the material. It looks like plastic, but it's really sturdy. It's not flimsy. And look at the chain, and I really love this shade of the chain. I really love everything from this clutch. And this has two compartments inside. This will not lose its shape. It's really nice purchase. This cost me, I guess, $9.99. And I have these two precious eyelashes. These eyelashes are easy to carry on your eyes. This is really helpful for beginner. If you are a beginner and trying to put on lashes and struggling with big heavy lashes, you have to definitely check these lashes. These are really soft. The band is also really thin. You have to buy nice kind of glue, otherwise it will just fling away. One pack cost me rupees 249. And the another thing that I got is this lemon dry shampoo. I've never tried dry shampoos yet. I don't know why I didn't get any dry shampoos. This cost me only rupees 249. It's unbelievable. I don't know if it's safe to use or not. I don't know if it does the same thing that other dry shampoo does or not. I don't know. I'm just curious to use this type of shampoo. I just bought this to try out. Really nice size, guys. You can throw it in your purse. It's only of 7 milliliter and it can fit in your purse really well. So if it works, it's very convenient. Okay, we are finally done, guys. This is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did filming this video. I really love to film this type of videos and watch videos from others as well. If you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well, so that you will never miss my any of the future uploads. And share this video to your friends as well. If you have any questions, comment down below, and you can join me on my social media and check the link in the description box below. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.